guys. I want anyone to see me. On since last week. Want to see something? Okay. Here's the camera. Here's the storm. That's our storm target storm. I'm just pretty concerned. Just wanted you guys to read the models. I think most of them have been on since last week. I think we're back in Texas. West. The Mexico border is just right behind the other house. Neighbor's house, I guess. Fortunately, we're supposed to have fireworks, but I don't think so. Well, I can see the air conditioner running over there. I'm not sure if you guys can. The only thing I'm worried about is the generator. I think we're just going to wait for some rain and we're going to do a bonfire, I bet. Make sure everything's nice and right. We're going to lit it up. All I'm just worried is about the generator right here. That's what I'm most concerned about. I split it into, instead of this way, I'm gonna have my phone this way, probably. The only thing I'm worried about is the generator turning on. Because I don't like noise, loud noises. My ears can only go up. Okay, I need to get back for real. I do not want to be standing right next to the generator. What? No. What?
Sit on the chairs here a while if you want.
Huh?
Sit on the chairs a while if you want.
I don't think there's any rain coming.
You don't think?
No.
Well, Eric looked at his phone and it looked like radar.
Well, we're under a tornado warning, so yeah.
No, it's just rain. There's no big storm, just some rain.
And the earth needs a haircut. See the air cans. The only thing I'm worried about is for the generator turning on. That's the only thing I'm worried about. Yes, I'm also worried about getting zapped. Which I'm pretty worried about that. This is awful. Startles you a little bit when it turns off. It's getting cloudy, which is we have a storm coming. Okay, the train shut off. Actually, no, that's not what I said. That is a train. Look at the model. Good quality, not gonna lie. It's firewood. Still? Come on, you need to stop. Oh, wanna get a huge thumbnail of the storm? There's Jenny. There's Jenny. Yeah, I get my headphones with. It's a raindrop. My hand just got wet, or maybe it's just a bird's pee. You hear thunder. Camera needs to zoom in more. Like and subscribe so this thing fizzles out. Yes, I'm pretty concerned about the generator. That's what I'm most concerned about. I told you several times I'm really concerned about generators turning on. Tisms don't have good hearing because it's tism, aka autism, because I bet some of you guys are watching may have autism. Let's get some lightning shots. I know. May do a firework video with my headphones because the fireworks are loud crackers. No, they're not doing them right now because they're not sure when they're doing it. They're not sure when they're doing the fireworks. Oh, I shouldn't have live streamed, but I didn't want to go live. So this video is going to take some time to upload, which is my main concern because I don't like taking long videos because it takes. Because we have a tornado warning. They just warned us. We have an actual tornado warning. See the tornado wrapped in rain? That, you can see the tornado in there, but the tornado is in there somewhere wrapped in rain. You can't see it. The tornado, it's massive. She's massive. Alright, I don't think you guys can see it. Yes. I do not like generators. I don't think you're supposed to like air conditioners. Because they're quiet. Because they're a lot quieter. Oh, people say in the comments say, what are those spinning around in circles? Well, it's the turbo. It's the air conditioner turbo. It's the turbo. But your parents say, don't stick your fingers in there. Don't stick your fingers in there because it could cut. Yeah. And a good reason because it cuts your hand off. The only thing I love watching it spin around, it's mostly like a washing machine, but not. A washing machine is a lot different. I get startled sometimes when things turn on. Yeah, I get jump scared. Neighbor's train is turned off. I would love to live stream on an air conditioner when it turns on and off. That's a good thing to live stream. But I don't feel like going live right now because I don't want to get a strike or anything like that. Yes, I'm really concerned about the generator. When it starts storming, I'm gonna go inside now. It's getting pretty annoying. Oh, come on. I can't be back there. Ugh, I love how it's bringing warm air. It just makes me comfortable. Because I bet some of you guys are I bet some of you guys are watching this video have autism. Well, I don't know. It's West Texas. We get storms a lot. No, I hear it gets storms a lot. Like which my grandma and grandpa live in Texas. The border is like somewhere behind the house. Southwest Texas. Off of Route 62. Nice fresh grass. They're planning in this neighborhood. They're planning to do a house over there. Not sure when, but maybe sometime. The generator has still power going through it, unfortunately. That's the only thing I'm worried about. Ugh, I should have gone pee. I used the restroom. I do really need to use the restroom. People say in the comments. People in the comments ask me, why don't you just go over there and use the restroom? Well, typically I don't need to go that way because I use the I usually use the restroom inside. Because it's Texas. They got more storms than us. What? I saw lightning. I used to go like this all the time. Okay, I don't want to do that for much longer because I'm pretty concerned about the generator because made by Honeywell. Not sure about Honeywell generators. Well, I'm not gonna do generator videos because they're too noisy. This is a new one, which is pretty loud. I cover my ears when the generator is actually louder than the air conditioners, which generators don't usually have blades inside of them. Well, it gets pretty hot. It gets pretty hot, to be honest. Waiting for the yes, I'm waiting for the air conditioner to stop. I love time when something stops. It just does it. It's hilarious. Okay. Still spinning. Turbo shuts off. It's a Texas air conditioner. Yep, it's a fan. People say, is this a exhaust fan that's over the fan thing is top? No, it's not. It's just 4 years old. It's air conditioners. Guys, take a look at the compressor. Guys can take a look at the compressor. Guys, guess in the comments. What kind of compressor is that? That's where the noise comes from the air conditioner. It does sound like a freezer when you're at a store shopping. Should probably go inside. I'm gonna walk around a little bit. Let's go walk around. The smell. Pretty surprised how tiny this air conditioner is. Does smell metal. You can smell that. I love that smell. It's a 2021 air conditioner. I like using my phone because it has good quality. Okay, those texts. The Texas air conditioner works pretty well. There's the motor right here. That's the motor. There are a lot of air conditioners like these around the USA. Because it's a... Yeah, the train is not as noisy as this one. Train is not as loud. Sure what that thing is. It's taking a little rest, like how I do when I do my rest thing. I take naps a lot. What's it smell? Okay, let's go rock around. Compressor is that? I don't know what compressor. Okay, let's walk around the house. like to run sometimes. Just gives me more energy. Oh, here, the storm is actually coming close. Okay, the neighbor's train just turned on. Holy cow, guys. It's coming. She's coming. Holy smokes. Yep, I don't think we're not supposed to have fireworks. Fireworks is canceled for this. Holy cow, guys. Someone said that this storm was cost $8,000 to get here. Fortunately, the air conditioner was just on. It still makes noise. When you have a tragedy storm, look how dark it got. Just imagine how dark it got. She's coming quick. Go subscribe to Ray Timmer because he knows about these things. And look, Big Mama is angry. It's dark over there. I just want to get a couple lightning shots. Keep getting bit out here. Okay, I don't want to be standing right next to it because I get startled sometimes. I hear a little bit of thunder. Fortunately, we don't have any sun because of the storm is actually rolling through. Might be thunder or motorcycle because... Yeah, I do hear a little bit of thunder. Not sure if you guys can. Because of the ambient sound. Yeah, I still hear the air conditioning from here. Wow. Could you guys just imagine how, I don't know, dark it gets? Probably when it comes like to this end, probably I should go inside. That's when I'm gonna go inside. Okay, I don't want to get those people on camera. I try not to. Oh, they're coming. I gotta put the camera down. Okay, I think they're past now. Holy cow, this thing's actually moving pretty fast.
Is Grandpa out here somewhere?
No, I don't see Grandpa.
Did you see him? Did he go for
No.
a walk?
I think he gone for a walk.
Oh, it looks a little blue out that way.
This way?
Yeah. I thought Grandpa was out.
Trying to get a good video of it. Yeah. It's kind
Do you want a chair to sit on here?
yeah. On the radar, there's pink. I saw pink on the radar.
What?
I saw pink.
You saw pink.
Yeah.
Pink.
The pink spots where the hail is.
Oh, is that what pink means?
Yeah. could be like 6 miles away.
Oh, you're on the porch. Why didn't you say something? Lance is just sitting here in the chair. You think we should trim these this fall? These little ball things? They look really nice.
Oh.
There's a lot of darker green.
I wish there would be fireworks to do a stream, but I don't feel doing it tonight. Does the generator run on Fridays?
Does the what?
Generator.
On Saturday. You mean like a self-testing thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Saturday around noon is when it does it. Yeah.
So it's not running right now?
No, the generator only runs if the power goes out.
So when does it do a test one?
Saturdays about 12 noon, 12:15.
So not right now?
No, that was earlier today. Yeah. We had it serviced here a while back, so it's ready to go if we need it.
In case we lose power when this thing comes.
Yeah, if it's windy or a power pole falls down and the power goes out, we have.
And we use light.
And we could still cook and be cool and take a shower and do anything.
Yeah.
I think Mama has one too, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Yep. Oh, there you are. You need another piece of toast now?
My brother eats a lot of toast. Guys, we may be lucky because it's actually getting cooler, Reed. Just so you guys know, he's hot-blooded. I wish I was hot-blooded. Holy cow. It's getting dark. Not gonna lie. And the storm's actually coming pretty quick. Okay. See all that? That's all smoke. So I'm gonna walk around the house a little bit before it starts raining here in a little bit. What? Huh. Got air conditioners turning on. Huh. Surprised you surprised you hear thunder. That sounds like an air conditioner. Here's the Texas storm. Guys, see any hail in it? Subscribe to Reed Timmer to chase this storm. I'll have the link somewhere above my head. Guys, I'll have the link somewhere around here. Somewhere in the Mexico area. That's the Mexico border behind the flag. That's right there. It's getting dark out because of the storm. Where I'm gonna go. Grandpa's on his iPad. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna go inside. Fine, I'll get another one. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go inside. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Come on, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, bug. Okay. It's a lightning bug. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what was your favorite part about this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!